I was very happy yesterday. I was very happy yesterday. She was late for school. She was late for school. He was sleeping all morning. He was sleeping all morning. They were playing in garden. They were playing in garden. We were excited for trip. We were excited for trip. How was your weekend yesterday? How was your weekend yesterday? I was thinking about you. I was thinking about you. It was raining all day. It was raining all day. You were very kind today. You were very kind today. She was reading a book. She was reading a book. He was crying last night. He was crying last night. We were watching TV together. We were watching TV together. They were running in park. They were running in park. Where were you yesterday evening? Where were you yesterday evening? I was feeling a little sick. I was feeling a little sick. She was cooking dinner nicely. She was cooking dinner nicely. He was talking on phone. He was talking on phone. We were waiting at station. It was very cold outside. It was very cold outside. You were singing very beautifully. You were singing very beautifully. They were dancing all night. They were dancing all night. I was writing a letter. I was writing a letter. She was looking very tired. She was looking very tired. He was working on project. He was working on project. We were enjoying the movie. We were enjoying the movie. Where was he going yesterday? Where was he going yesterday? I was listening to music. I was listening to music. She was painting her room. She was painting her room. He was cleaning the kitchen. He was cleaning the kitchen. We were planning a surprise. We were planning a surprise. It was very noisy there. It was very noisy there. You were studying all day. They were swimming in pool.